us a trailer repair. Driver must have hit something at the dock. I've been on my own for about 3 years now, and this is literally my first trailer patch job. For whatever reason, I just don't get them no more. But we'll see if I still remember how to do it. Might be it here. Don't look like it. No, yeah it is. I lied. I don't see the damage though. Okay. Oh, that ain't as bad as it looked like in the pictures. It's that composite stuff. It's kind of hard to work with. Sounds like they're loading it right now. See if I can feel a forklift come through. Gotta get that fucking hood painted. It looks like shit. Ain't really wanting to go back. That's a little better. It's still not super ideal though. Yeah, I think I can make that work. Go along that seam right here. Come up to right here so I can make that bend. I think that'll work fine. I already put more effort in it than most folks do. I need to put some batteries back in my truck for my crane, but the plan is to tie it into those rear batteries. See how that looks? Cut straight as an arrow. Oh yeah, we can make that work. Kind of put a bunch of rivets in there to come form around that. Clean some of this dirt off. So our sealant has something to stick to. Probably work a little bit more on this and get it more flat, but I ain't trying to throw sparks all in there for the guys on the inside. I'll fill in those low spots. Yeah, that'll work. Smush in flat. Special closed rivets so they don't leak on the inside. You want to go in line like this instead of going to each corner. Keep it from warping and bowing up. More of a flat area so we can go farther apart from each other. Want so close together right there to keep that curve in it. Alright, my camera ended up dying. Who would have saw that coming? I have a huge dip right here. Come flying through here, my 450, and got airborne a couple times. Anyways, got that patch done. My camera ended up dying. I was using the hat mount, which I used the Insta360, whatever it's called, little small joker. And the battery life is just atrocious. I just wish this camera would last longer than 30 seconds. Would be super ideal. But anyways, got that patch done. Not the prettiest patch I've ever done, but I've definitely seen worse. There's a lot of guys out there that just slap some bullshit together and it looks like complete garbage, which I don't do. But this guy is pretty picky about his stuff, so I'm hoping he's gonna be fine with it. Obviously the permanent fix would be to replace the wall panel, which gets pretty freaking expensive, so you know, not very feasible to do that all the time. I would just ride with that for a while, especially when you have drivers running into shit constantly. But this is an owner-operator. I believe he owns this trailer, so he does a good job of taking care of it, not beating it up too bad. I think this is the first he's really had with it. All in, pretty freaking busy day. Not too bad at all. If we can do this every day, I would not complain.